Hello and be welcome to a Let's Develop teaser about CentrailBot, fun with basic logic circuits. This game was sent to me by a colleague of mine, Johannes Lerch, and I must confess that I did not have a look at it before. I just opened this little Flash-based game here for the first time right now, and I want to jump right into it together with you guys. What's that? Oh, there's the manual. So let's have a look. Welcome to CentrailBot. Design the internal logic circuits of a bot so that it may respond to its environment and complete a series of tasks. Sounds reasonable. So apparently that is our game field. We have a button that takes us to the main menu. We have a bot, this small thing here, and we have some kind of an objective. Just get the bot across the finish line. Finish line is that one? Okay, so our task is to take the bot from the start to finish line. Makes sense. There's some transparency modes I can switch between. We will probably see that when you start playing. There's a start stop button to make the bot move or stop moving. Click stop to bring up the bot's circuit panel. Okay, so when I hit stop, apparently I get this circuit panel here. And on the circuit panel, I can edit the bot's configuration. I can select circuits that I want to use as input for other circuits, and I can edit circuits I already have. Is that right? Yeah, probably something like that. Not quite sure, but we'll figure it out. Okay, then when I click something like the circuit to edit probably, then I get an option here of different circuits that I can choose, I guess. And there's different circuits. Okay, we have a sense input circuit that somehow gets one of three different inputs. So this is probably to sense our environment. Maybe there's some color coding that we can use to move like left or right or whatever direction. Okay, there's a NOT circuit. I guess that's quite easy. We have an input and the output is just the inversed Boolean value. We have an AND circuit that also makes sense with inputs and the output is true if all of the inputs are true. We have OR. Okay, output is true if one of the inputs is true, one or more. Oh, we have a pass circuit. Okay, so this is the logical lattice. Makes sense. Quite some time ago that I did this stuff at university, but I hope I'll manage. We have a time circuit, so the time circuit is turned on by the input. Stays on for a random number of processing cycles between the values min and max I specify. Bot has a processing frequency of 8 Hertz. Okay, don't know what I need that for, but good to know. We have a memory circuit which I can switch on or off. Okay. And we have an output circuit that probably controls the bot's movements, right? Yeah, so we have like two wheels, or two treats actually, and we can move them forward, backward, or not at all. And if I move one side forward, the other side backward, then my bot turns with a rate of pi by 16 cycles. Yeah, I need 32 cycles to turn the bot around one time, probably, if I get that right. Anyways, this is the end of the manual. Good luck, and let's see how we do in the first level. I've already seen that there are 3 tutorial levels, and I'll jump into at least the first one, then I'll see if I do the other 2 as well in this episode, or if I skip that. After all, the game is in total only these whatever 15 levels, so it's not too long. But yeah, let's see how fast I can get through this level. Here we are in a new environment. Click the play symbol to allow time to flow and see if something happens. No, apparently nothing happens because I have not programmed my bot. Okay, so I'm supposed to stop it again. As we learned in the manual, now our circuit panel popped up, and we want to edit the output. The output was this wheel thing here, right? And now I want to use an on circuit. I guess on means just like true. And I place true on +1 so that tree turns forward and the other tree 2, so both go forward, so the bot should run forward, right? Let's see, play. Yes, I was right. Not too hard. So it's going on and going on. What happens if I click here? Nothing happens for this transparency thing. Woo, applause, applause. Okay, I did a great job. I solved the problem and the environment was marked as solved. There you can see that up here. I click menu to go back to the main menu. Woohoo, first task solved. Okay, I guess this was enough to get a first idea about this game. If you would like me to continue this game, give me a thumbs up on this episode. Guess it's worth continuing on. After all, the game is not too long. If you have any feedback for me, just drop me a comment or send me a message. I'm always happy to learn. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching this episode, and I hope to see you next time.